Hello my very good friends, and welcome to this week market analysis with Romed Dominic. There's so much fear, uncertainty and doubt in the market as the Securities Exchange Commission files a lawsuit against the biggest exchange player in the cryptocurrency industry, Binance. A Coinbase lawsuit was also filed a few weeks back, and Kraken did not escape this particular hit from the SEC. It has seen that the price of cryptocurrency quickly dropped from $30,000 to about $25,000 where it is as of today. In our last week market analysis, we predicted that from $27,000 where Bitcoin was, we were going to be heading down to about $23,000. We're just $2,000 away from that benchmark. We see the prices on the screen now as it has plummeted to $25,421, and you can see that Binance currently have moved that particular amount of money out of their system, which you can see here, and you can see that it is actually you can see this is my meme here for Binance and Coinbase. Oh guys, the angel of death, which is the SEC, is coming to their door a few minutes from now. So a couple of things have just been so wrong in the cryptocurrency, especially when you talk about regulations, and the UK as well is trying their best to see that they're able to quickly step up on this particular distance. So the reason why this has been so intensive on Binance is because they feel that most of the large cryptocurrency projects that we have are termed as security. And when you say they are termed as security in finance, my very good friends, a security is something that is really interesting. It represents ownership or investment in a company or an asset. It's like a special kind of financial product that people can buy and sell. Isn't that cool? So, some examples of security are stocks and bonds, and these things, many people invest in it to grow their money. Now, this fascinating thing is that when cryptocurrency is declared as a security, it means that you can invest in it to grow your money, and as long as cryptocurrency is declared as a security, it is seen as a stock or an investment contract. So the SEC expects you to follow the same rules and regulations just like stock will follow, and this is why they almost become part of that big family. It's all about keeping things fair and safe in the financial world for the Securities Exchange Commission. That's the reason why they are always very much on these different exchanges. Whenever they see that they engage in investments that grow people money, they expect them to come and register those investments to the Securities Exchange Commission. Else you will get the hammer coming in very fast from the Securities Exchange Commission. And the big one for this week is that we have a report from McKinsey saying that artificial intelligence will generate up to $4.4 trillion per annum. Guys, $4.4 trillion per annum, that's actually, if we put that in reference, it's more than the annual GDP of Canada, which is $2 trillion per annum, Australia, which is $1.7 trillion, and Spain, which is $1.2 trillion. And just artificial intelligence, because this is actually drawn from data. I always say that anything that's not done from data is done based on guesswork, and this is actually coming from what? From data. And in the bid to advanced artificial intelligence, we see that Facebook actually just launched their own artificial intelligence music generator. Facebook, which is one of the biggest companies, last year they actually changed their name from Facebook to Meta, and this particular artificial intelligence music generator is coming from what? From Facebook. So you can make music with this and be able to actually record them, and you can see that the artificial intelligence music saga is growing very high, because a few weeks back we saw that artificial intelligence was used to create music from Kanye West, which might be one of your favorite artists, from Eminem. Okay, so like this one from Did you notice the difference between this one and the original one? I guess it did not. And there's also this one as well from Drake. So guys, artificial intelligence is doing so much, and you can imagine the market capitalization of the music industry alone. The market capitalization of the music industry, where your musicians wear a lot of Cuban, a lot of gold, diamonds, and you can see where this particular $4.4 trillion from their research is going to come in. And as you know, at Vorem here, you can start your journey and quickly get into NFTs by starting from beginners level and going to our website, which is voem.co. And on voem.co, you will be able to register, get access to these 2 different NFT courses, and then quickly, and guys, it's free. You can go there and take your course now and start your journey into the NFT world. And the big one is that this weekend we're actually starting our Artificial Intelligence and Blockchain Masterclass, so you don't want to miss it. I'll be there showing you many of the tools that you can use to get ahead of most of your competitors, especially using artificial intelligence. And as someone that is optimizing every one of us in artificial intelligence, I have something very interesting for you today. I have you being able to optimize your investment strategy using artificial intelligence, and we're going to quickly just use this prompt, especially with one of the best chatbots, artificial intelligence chatbots available. So let's use ChatGPT. So once you go on ChatGPT, you see the command prompts. For you to get accurate results from artificial intelligence, the first thing you must do is to get the accurate command prompt. And the accurate command prompt I want to use for this engagement, you can see I've typed it out on this PowerPoint here. I just copied this. So it says I'm a market analyst. So create a comprehensive list, right? How to generate powerful prompt to help you at work. So let's say I'm a trade analyst. I can say create a comprehensive list for effective prompt tailored to amplify productivity and time management abilities for professionals in my industry that empowers them to achieve greater task efficiency and results. So when I put this on my chatbot, for me, I said I'm a blockchain architect. So it should create a comprehensive list for effective prompt tailored, and this is what it would give to me. Certainly, here is a comprehensive list of effective prompt tailored to amplify productivity and time management abilities for a blockchain architect. So I can use a task management system or project management tool to analyze and track my work. Yeah, that's good. So these are the list of things that can actually help me to do or to amplify my work. So guys, I hope that helps. So enough of learning about these different things around artificial intelligence. Let's get back to the facts in our chart. And as you know, the facts in our chart currently, from what we have on our trading view right here, our trading view chart is showing that Ethereum is currently sitting at about 116. Wow, 1,600. From our market analysis last week, we saw that Ethereum was actually sitting a bit higher than this. So Bitcoin is currently sitting at 25,400, and at 25,400 where Bitcoin is sitting, you can see the market is trying to bounce. And we're using this tool we're using here. It's called the Gaussian channel tool. It's called the Gaussian channel tool. And for the Gaussian channel tool, anytime the Gaussian channel turns green, you can always notice an uptrend in the market. And anytime the Gaussian channel goes red, there will be a downtrend in the market. You can see here where you had the green, you can see there was a slight uptrend here in this part of the market. Here you can see as soon as it got red, downtrend. Here red, downtrend. Here green, uptrend. Here green, uptrend. Green uptrend. So we are currently on a 1-day time frame, and we're looking at the chart of Bitcoin. So let's increase the chart of Bitcoin to a 1-week time frame and see it from a broader perspective and see what our Gaussian channel is saying. So we're about to flip into the green side of the Gaussian channel. As you can see, we have been on the red side of the Gaussian channel all this while. We've been on the green, and you saw where the green took us to up to $68,000, and we've been on that particular red correction for a very long time. And you can see these two moving day averages, they are trying to quickly shift and change for positive movement in the market. So once this Gaussian channel turns green, let's say the support holds for this market, we will definitely see Bitcoin going up. Same thing too, we can apply that to the Ethereum market chart and say, okay, where are we currently at for Ethereum? We're established for the 1-day time frame, we're at 1666. That's $1,600 for Ethereum. So if we look at it from a 1-week time frame for Ethereum, what will our chart tell us now? That and where is our Gaussian channel color? What's the color around our Gaussian channel at the moment for that 1-day time frame? So I think the Goshen channel is just taking a while to load. Every time this Goshen channel takes some time to load. So you can see it just appeared now in our chat, and you can see we're almost at the same place where we have Bitcoin. The Goshen channel flipping from this green to red, and in a short space of time we flip into what? Into green. So guys, this Binance fraud is almost like the last fall that we'll see in this bear market, and positive of that, and then we start having a correction to the upside for what? For Bitcoin. My very good friends, a wise man once told me that to be forewarned is to be forearmed. Now that you've known the possible sides that Bitcoin and Ethereum will definitely go in the market, you've received the warning so that you can arm yourself and protect your portfolio. Now, Forum Wallet, which is going to take care of your cryptocurrency needs. As you know, centralized crypto exchanges like FTX, like Binance, like Cryptopia, like we saw in 2018, always fails. One of the best things in crypto is to have your funds stored in wallets where you can have access to your keys so that you can use them in any part of the world that you go to. The Forum Wallet is coming live on the Play Store and App Store on the 30th of June. And as you know, my book too is going to be released on that same day, which is From Code to Consciousness, Bridging the Gap Between Artificial Intelligence and Superhuman Productivity. Don't miss this weekend Artificial Intelligence and Blockchain Bootcamp. As you know, our greatest satisfaction is giving you value, especially with market analysis like this, to see that you protect your portfolio from wreck city and to also prevent you from going to wreck city. Until next time, my very good friends, this is the market analysis for this week. See you.